Hi guys, this is Sadik from .com. In this video, we'll show you how to run the secure folder on any Samsung phone which is obtained root via Magisk or KSU. Even if the phone is not rooted but is currently unlocked, in that case also the secure folder might not work. So I'll show you how to bypass this issue once and for all. So please take a backup of all that on your phone and let's get started. First and foremost, if your phone is currently unlocked but not rooted, then please root the phone by Magisk or KSU. A patch does not work with Samsung phones. So once you obtain root, let me now show you. Currently it's rooted. And if I try to launch the secure folder app, the features via settings, security and privacy, from there secure folder, continue, and you can now see if this keep happening, contact the customer support and that is it. It will not work. You try as many times you want, but it's not going to work. So now I'll show you how to fix this issue. So once you obtain root, now install the LSPosed framework onto your phone via this article. The video is also there in this article, so please have a look at the video or the article and get the job done. So enable the Zygisk in the Magisk. In case of Magisk, enable Zygisk. In case of KSU, flag the module which is the Rezygisk or Zygisk next module to enable Zygisk in that case. So if we have the Magisk, so simply go to settings menu and let's enable that. In case of KSU, flag the Rezygisk module or the Zygisk next module. Moving on. Now get the Jing matrix from here, LSPosed module for the Jing matrix, it's the dev name. Get them same from this link. I'll show you how. Go to the release section and then get the one which is the Zygisk release, this one. So let's now flash it onto our phone. Once you have got the module, go to module, install from storage, downloads, LSPosed, tap on OK. It's being flashed now. This will take a few seconds. Once done, tap on reboot. In the meantime, once you have got this module, also extract them and get the APK file as well. You must start from the phone itself or on the PC. Choice is all yours. Let me show you what I mean exactly. So we currently have the LSPosed framework. For example, let's say this is the LSPosed. Extract it and you will get this APK file, manager APK file. Install the APK file. This will give you the app as well. So now we will install that APK file onto our phone. Let's first wait for the phone to boot to the OS. And then I will extract the APK file using the same one which I flashed onto my phone. I'm using the latest build of the LSPosed framework version, which is the 10.2. So we'll extract that. You may either do so from the PC itself. The choice is all yours. So let's see what happens now. Give it a few more seconds for the booting up and it's now complete. So now open the Files app, but before that verify that it's up and running onto your phone. The first time it will take some time to open the Magisk or the KSU. Now go to modules and you could see it's up and running. So go to the Files app, then extract the Zygisk zip file, which is in the downloads folder. LSPosed. Choose all. No, only the manager file. This is the file. Manager.apk file should be somewhat here only. Choose it. Extract. We have got it now. Simply install the APK file onto your phone. Allow from this source, which is my files. Install. And we have got the file now. Open it. In case of KSU, you'll have to manually give it the root access. So open the KSU app, go to super user and then enable the toggle next to the LSPosed. In case of Magisk, that's not required. And we are now here. So once you install the LSPosed framework onto your phone, now get the Knox patch module and the Knox patch enhancer module and flash them as well. Or install them rather. I have got both the files onto my phone. Just give me a second. Let's see. Knox patch enhancer and the Knox patch module. Okay, we should have two files. First is the APK, then is the zip file. So first install the APK file. Once that is done, tap on done. You'll get a prompt. Open this prompt. If you have not got any prompt, simply launch the app manually as well. Both will work. Let me show you what I mean. Once you install the APK file, open the LSPosed app onto your phone. Just give me a second. Let's keep it at the home screen. Open the LSPosed app, go to modules, Knox patch, enable the toggle next to this and check mark all the recommended things. So let's check mark these. There are a lot of recommendations. So this is more than fine in our case. Also, next up flash module as well. The module name is given over here. The Knox patch enhancer module. This is the APK file and this is the module. Let's now flash this as well. Knox patch enhancer. This is required. Tap on OK. It says now flash. So once you have flashed the module and you have enabled the Knox patch in the LSPosed, once both of the tasks are complete, enable the toggle as well. Now please do a restart. It is a must. And after the restart, that is it. We should now be able to use the module with ease. The phone is now inside the OS. Let's first verify if the mods are working or not. So launch the Magisk app, go to modules. Again, this might take a little bit longer for the first time. After doing a boot up, modules, and this is working well and good. Likewise, open the LSPosed, go to modules, and the Knox patch is also working well and good. So now it's time to test. So let's see if it's working or not. Again, let's go to the settings menu. From settings, go to privacy, set over here, scroll down, then secure folder, continue, and let's now see continue. And you could see it's now working well and good. There's no issue whatsoever in the working. That's quite great to see. And currently my phone is opting in root. I have shown you as well. So this will take some time, but that's all normal. Let me show you. In the meantime, you could see, okay, we cannot minimize it. Let's keep open this way only. For the first time when it's making the secure folder, this will take some time. It's no issue whatsoever. Let's just wait for that to complete. And then I'll show you whether it's working or not as well. So let's wait. So guys, you could now see we have asked for the lock type. Let's choose for now pattern, continue. Everything will be working as before. There will be no issue whatsoever. Turn on reset with Samsung, not now. I don't need it. Fingerprint, if you want, you may add your fingerprint as well. Pattern, medium security. So let's keep this. I know this will take some time, but I'm showing this because it's working well and good. In the video, there's no issue whatsoever. Everything is working as expected. And it's quite fast. Let's just keep it. A few more tabs are remaining, and after that you will see that it's working well and good. I have used the pattern, fingerprint, all of those things are working as expected in a rooted phone. Well, although not expected, but I've done the trick now. Tap on done, next, and you could now see we have the secured folder secured by Knox. That's great to see. On the rooted phone we are having the secured by Knox. You could also add the required apps of your choice. Let's say Gmail, add, and it's now added. So, or log and exit, add files, customize settings, all the things are working well and good, no issue whatsoever. So you could also make a search from here. So guys, that's all from this video. As could be seen, I'm currently on a rooted phone, but the Knox patch, using the Knox patch module, we could now use the secure folder with ease without any issue whatsoever. And that is it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.